Hey, Andy Harrington here, author of the Sunday Times best-selling book, Passion into Profit, How to Make Big Money from Who You Are and What You Know. And in this video, I'll be sharing 3 tips on how you can create even more powerful presentations. Look, in the business world today, in the content consuming world we live in today, the best way to win business is not to ask for it, but to give value in advance. And the way to do that is through powerful presentations online, on stage, and through the screen of a phone and or computer. So let's look at these 3 tips on how you can create even more powerful presentations. Tip number 1 is you want to create presentations that have an impact. You have to become a person of impact. Otherwise, you'll just be another voice in the sea of sameness. Now, to do that, you're going to have amazing presentation skills. How do you move? How do you gesture? What do you do with your facial features? How do you maintain a good state, a good stance? And how, most importantly, do you look like you're in flow? A couple of mistakes I see people making all the time when they present. Number 1 is to lift their chin. Number 2 is to bounce. It looks a bit like this. Hi, I'm Andy Harrington, and today we're going to be talking about these 3 tips that we're going to be sharing with you to create even more powerful presentations. Now, when I lift my chin and go onto my toes, there's a couple of reasons why I'm doing that. If I'm in fight or flight response, if I'm stressed, then what's going to happen is I'll automatically lift my chin because I'm offering you, in this case, the audience, I'm offering you my throat in a submissive gesture because I don't feel like I'm the authority. In fact, I'm looking up to a higher authority, which in this case, of course, would be you. That leads to me not looking like I feel comfortable on camera or in my own skin. Also, if I'm bouncing up and down as I present all the time doing this kind of thing, that's nervous energy. Again, it's a flight signal from the fight or flight. It's looking like I want to run away. So you need to have great presentation skills. I teach something called the stress-free speaker system so that you have a stress-free experience in front of camera or indeed when on a stage. The most important thing is to be in flow. So your content doesn't come from you, it actually feels like it comes through you. Great presentations should be a through me experience.